Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another new video. Today we are going to watch a video of an important topic. While working on laptop, PC, desktop, there are many tasks that we can use shortcut key. Through shortcut key we can make our work easier. Today's video is arranged with 20 such shortcut keys. You can think of the answer to each shortcut key yourself. You will get 10 seconds for this. A system that not only entertains you but also lets you learn a lot, which is very necessary in our daily life. I hope everyone likes the video. And if you like the video, please like it. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to get updates of such important videos. Since it is an educational video, share it and let everyone know. Without further ado, let's start today's video. Which shortcut key is used for shutdown or restart the computer? A. Shift. B. Alternate plus F4. C. Control plus F4. D. Control plus Tab. Answer. B. Alternate plus F4. The shortcut to create a new file folder. A. Control plus Shift plus N. B. Control plus Alt plus N. C. Shift plus N. D. Control plus N. Answer. A. Control plus Shift plus N. Which shortcut key is used to copy? A. Control plus B. B. Control plus F. C. Control plus V. D. Control plus C. Answer. D. Control plus C. The shortcut key to open File Explorer is A. Windows plus E. B. Windows plus F. C. Windows plus M. D. Windows plus R. Answer. A. Windows plus E. What the shortcut key to paste? A. Shift plus P. B. Windows plus P. C. Control plus V. D. Shift plus V. Answer. C. Control plus V. What is the shortcut key to open RAN dialog box? A. Alternate plus R. B. Windows plus R. C. Shift plus R. D. Control plus R. Answer. B. Windows plus R. Which is the shortcut key to open Task Manager? A. Control plus Escape. B. Control plus Alternate. C. Control plus Shift plus Escape. D. Control plus Shift plus Alternate. Answer. C. Control plus Shift plus Escape. To display the Start menu, press A. Control plus S. B. Control plus Escape. C. Control plus Alternate. D. Alternate plus S. Answer B. Control plus Escape. Which shortcut key is used to save? A. Windows plus S. B. Control plus S. C. Alternate plus S. D. Shift plus S. Answer D. Shift plus S. What shortcut key to press to select all? A. Control plus D. B. Control plus A. C. Shift plus A. D. Alternate plus A. Answer B. Control plus A. Which shortcut key is used to lock? A. Windows plus L. B. Control plus Q. C. Shift plus P. D. Tab plus G. Answer A. Windows plus L. Which shortcut key is used to cut? A. Shift plus N. B. Control plus A. C. Control plus X. D. Shift plus Z. Answer C. Control plus X. Which shortcut key is used for screenshot? A. Windows plus S. B. Control plus S. C. Windows plus P. D. Windows plus print screen. Answer D. Windows plus print screen. Which shortcut key is used to go to Properties? A. Shift plus Alternate. B. Alternate plus Enter. C. Windows plus Alternate. D. Control plus Shift. Answer B. Alternate plus Enter. Which shortcut key is used to make text bold? A. Shift plus B. B. Tab plus B. C. Control plus B. D. Control plus H. Answer C. Control plus B. Which shortcut key is used to zoom in? A. Windows plus 0. B. Control plus Z. C. Shift plus I. D. Windows plus plus. Answer D. Windows plus plus. Which shortcut key is used to zoom out? A. Control plus N. B. Shift plus U. C. Windows plus minus. D. Windows plus 1. Answer C. Windows plus minus. Open the Task Manager to reboot the computer. A. Control plus Alternate plus Delete. B. Control plus Delete. C. Shift plus Delete. D. Alternate plus delete. Answer. A. Control plus alternate plus delete. What shortcut key is needed for the settings option? A. Shift plus I. B. Windows plus I. C. Control plus I. D. Alternate plus I. Answer. B. Windows plus I. What shortcut key is needed for the game bar? A. Tab plus G. B. Shift plus G. C. Control plus G. D. Windows plus G. Answer. D. Windows plus G. Thanks for watching.